There are signs in some places, including New York and New Jersey, of improvements in the coronavirus fight. And with millions out of work, there are discussions and sharp disagreements about how, when, and where to ease restrictions. Today, the U.S. and Canadian governments announced the border between the two countries would remain closed for another 30 days. This as infections in this country now top 700,000. Deaths now nearing 38,000. Danya Bacchus tonight begins our coverage.
Here in California, the state is grappling with its highest death toll yet. Today, as protests erupted across the country, many governors say it's still too soon to lift restrictions. The battle over reopening America is intensifying. Protesters in several states are defying stay-at-home orders, demanding governors to lift restrictions so they can get back to work.
Think of the people. Think of the people that are struggling.
In Florida, beaches in the northern part of the state have reopened. Texas Governor Greg Abbott announced plans to relax restrictions on retail stores and parks starting next week.
Even more openings will be announced in May, when it is determined that the infection rate continues to decline.
The gradual reopening comes with the virus still peaking in some parts of the country. San Francisco and New York City requiring residents to wear masks in public.
We've recommended face coverings in the past, and now, as of midnight tonight, it will be a requirement.
New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said he had some good news today.
Hospitalization numbers are down.
President Trump claims sufficient testing capacity has been built to allow states to reopen, but governors and business leaders say a lot more is needed before that can happen. And across the country, more economic pain.
This program means that we get to eat today.
Lines at food banks are growing longer as people who have never had to line up for food donations before are in need. California's governor has put together an advisory committee to assist with economic recovery, especially for small businesses. Rick?
Danya, thanks.